Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to add images to your website created with OfficeIQ Studio. So, this is the website I have already created. Let's say I want to remove this existing image and add my own image. First, click on the edit and select the image. Now, click on this icon. From here, you can choose your own images. So when you click on this hamburger menu, you will see three options: site files. Here you will see all your uploaded images. From here you can create your own folder. Let's create one now and name it homestay images. Your folder is created. Trash, here you will find your deleted images. Next, there's an unsplash option. Here you can explore free images from various categories like office, books, children, nature, or you can search for your own. For example, I will search for mountains and select the one I like. You can also choose the size, and if you want, save it to a specific folder. I will save it in the folder I just created and click on Save to Library. Now go back to Site Files, open your folder and you will see the selected image here. You can also upload your own images by clicking on Upload Files. Once you select an image, you can also edit it, crop, rotate, you can adjust brightness or even add filters. After editing, click Apply Changes and a new edited image will be created. From here, you can filter your files based on images, videos or documents. Sort them by file size or alphabetical order. Change the layout to view your files as you prefer. Now select the image and click on Insert, and there it is. Your image is now added to your website. From here, you can give the image a title, adjust its dimensions like width and height, reset it to the original if needed. You can control the object fit like cover, fill, contain or none. You can adjust border radius, opacity or background color from here. Also, you can manage spacing, adjust its margin and padding from here. Click on Save Changes and that's it. You have successfully added image to your website in OfficeIQ Studio.